Hashem was here with the scare away the pigeons, and the guy he's really nice here and everything too here. So here we are. We're on here, and we're here with the hawk here. He's here for scaring the pigeons here. So, all right, you never know what you're going to find in Lisbon here. So, thank you very much. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Have a nice day.
All right, we're doling out snacks here now. Look at this here. Still warm in my hand here, even here with all kind of gooey stuff on it. And we're going to have cinnamon and more sugar if you want to put on it too. These are all the drinks that we're going to have here from the entire group. It'll be extra tasty. They got cherry in there too. So I'm looking forward to it. Here in Lisbon. Well, he's going to fill it up. All right.
Here we go.
Bringing all the drinks out here. We're going to have one here